Hi kids, it's me, Tony. Happy International Women's Day. Happy I got my BoxyCharm. It's the one, it's not the Luxe that you get every 4 months. It's the upgrade to the monthly one. I forget what you call it. But it's for March, and it was a collab with Rihanna's Fenty Beauty, or it's supposed to be. We'll find out. So the reason I'm not on camera is because it's just been one of those weeks. The good news is we have a new doggie who is like hyper. But the bad news is I fell in the garage getting the dog carrier as I was going to get the dog. So I have some little bruises. I don't know if you can see this one. Anyway, it extends. And I messed up my knee, etc. So it's been a fun week. Anyway, and then in the fall I broke a couple of nails, so then I had to cut all the rest of my nails. So you know how that goes. Anyway, back to the box. Let's see. I didn't get to show you February's. February's was not bad. So I keep thinking I'm going to cancel this, but then they keep having stuff. So let's open it up. And there is, Premium, BoxyCharm Premium. Let me see if I can, there we go. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. So, here it is. Fun times. Okay. Now, I'm looking forward to this. So it's all Fenty Beauty. I remember all the hoo-ha when it came out, but I don't really know much else. So the first item is Matchsticks Shimmer Skin Sticks Fenty Beauty Highlight Blush and Enhance Long Wear Light as Air Layering. And this is in like chilling mango, like not the color I need. Do you see these nails? Look like the color goes with me. Okay. This is the top. I don't really know. Oh, it's pretty packaging. Chili mango. Ooh, that's some orange. Something or other. Let's see. Yeah. No. Okay. It's pretty if you fill out the little beauty quiz. You tell them all your features, and inevitably I get weird colors. Anyway, so I mean it seems nice, and it says that it's a $25 magnetized makeup stick and a long wear light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. Okay. Included shade may vary. Worst stuff shade I could have used. Not here. Okay, second one. It's a gloss balm, and it is in Diamond Milk. Well, that one, that might work. Let's find out. So yeah, I fell in the garage. Ooh, pretty. Okay, this makes up for the mango stuff. This is, let me see what this says. Universal Lip Luminizer. The ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. A dewy highlight for your lips. Okay, well, we'll just try it over this lovely mango stuff just to see. Yeah, that's pretty sheer. I could use that. That's okay. $19. Ooh, that's pretty. You see the shimmer? I don't know if you can or not. I like it. Okay, what's next? The next thing is the Invisimate Blotting Paper. So this is ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in stealth mode with a super chic, refillable, mirrored compact that looks like a lipstick case. Oh, that's kind of cool. That could be clever. So here's on the back. Let's see. Get it right side up. How you... So it's like a little dispenser. Okay, let's check this out. I kind of like having all the same brand because opening the same brand is kind of easier. She said as she couldn't get this out. Okay. Oh, look at that. Isn't it cute? Okay. Let's see. This is like fun stuff. BoxyCharm, you should do more of these. So you have a little, so here's your little, looks like a little lipstick thing, has the little mirror, and you pop this open, and I guess you do that, and I'm not sure if this comes out or something. Oh, it goes in here. Yeah, it goes in here. You fix it up, and then it'll come out this. That's very cute. It's very convenient. I don't usually use those blotter papers because I forget about them, and you know, they sink to the bottom of my purse. And this was $16. Okay. Then we have Fenty, what's that say? Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. Okay, I like matte lipsticks, but of course, it's a color that's kind of dark for me. And I know she has a huge color range. There we go. Very minimalistic packaging, but this is kind of shiny. It's very thin for a lipstick tube. Okay, so let's see how this is open, like that. Ooh, Mama. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Fancy. Okay. Okay, once again, not going to happen. It's okay. I have friends that will love this. But it says all moods, all skin tones, all day, pocket perfect lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish, available in a rainbow of weightless color intense shades. Unfortunately, a shade too dark for moi. And this is $18, which isn't terrible for a lipstick, you know, vanity. Then we have the Fenty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. All right. In like a gold. And that might, I'm not really a highlighter person, but let's check it out. Check it out. Nice packaging again. Fenty Beauty, very simple. Ooh, mama. That is some highlighter. Let's try this. Whoosh. Oh my goodness, yes. Look at that. Except when you're an old lady, it doesn't go in the crevices. Oh no. There's a shiny old lady. Run away. That's really pretty. Got a nice shimmer. And really, I mean, you know, for being as intense gold as it is, it doesn't come across that way. Let's see what this says. It says, light up where you want, when you want, with this weightless, long wear, cream powder hybrid highlighter in the iconic shade Trophy Wife, $36. And then the last item is, of course, a palette. This is the Moroccan Spice. Here are the colors. Well, I can use some of these. Oh, let's do it right side up. I was afraid I wouldn't be able to use any of these because, you know, every time I hear the word spice, I think of like yellows and oranges and colors I can't use. And, you know, like I need another. I need the Sophia Waffle one. I need packaging on this. Protective cover. Ooh, look at this. It's a really pretty palette without being gaudy. No shade. And got a nice mirror. And these are really pretty colors, actually. I will swatch them, but not on camera. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can, let me do it this way. All right. Here's the colors. I'm not the world's best swatcher, but really, for the most part, a lot of them are the same, but they're almost like different intensity. So in all you get 6, 12, 16 colors. But I thought that's a very pretty palette, actually. It says that the Spice has 16 richly pigmented shades, serving up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. It's only $29. That's half the price of a Jeffree Star palette. And this is just as many shades. They were very pigmented. There was no fallout. Really well done. Very, I don't know, dense, very rich feeling. So, very cool front cover. So, all in all, I like this. I didn't like the lipstick, and I didn't like the, what was that first thing? Oh, this thing. It's not my colors. But you know what? I can find people that like it. So if we add it up for this week, it's a highlighter, I think, was the most expensive at $36. So 36 and 25 is 61. 61 and 29 is 90. So that's 109, 127, 143. So yeah, I mean, it's all one brand, a nice brand, nice products, well made. I wish BoxyCharm would do more of these. I would keep getting it because, it's kind of nice. You've got like one brand line you can really play with. So anyway, that's my review. Let me know what you think. Did you like the colors? Do you think they're good value? What else is new? And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.